Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper. Yes, the daily newspaper of Thursday, June the 3rd, 2021. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And this one will be a number. Let me see, 2888 888. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 26. And if you compare with the extra Sudokus in this newspaper, there's an additional with extra Sudokus. Yes. I believe there are 8 extra Sudokus, and if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, 26 printed digits is a 2 stars Sudoku. 1 star, 27, 3 stars, 25, and 4 stars, 24. Alright. And for a 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 1 star, faster than 15. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. And for a 4 stars, if it's really a 4 stars, more than 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright. Which number shall I pick? How about let me see. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We see here the 6 and the 7 in this column. So no 6 and the 7 in those 2 boxes. The 6 and the 7 goes in these 2 boxes. As a pair, we see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 1. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 1. Alright. We have 8 in this row, and 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 3 places for the 7s will be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Alright, and I cannot continue with the 7. Let me see, for another number. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright, 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright. Alright, we have 1 in this column, the 1 in the last column, so in the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. Alright. 2, 3, 8. And now, let me see. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are missing in this row. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Alright. 1, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There, 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then. How about the 7 in this column, the 7 in that column, the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Alright. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those 3 missing numbers are the 3, the 5, and the 4. 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 here. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes, 3 and a 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left for this big square for the number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 5, alright. How about the 9? 9 in the last row, and 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row. So in the row between, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Alright. How about the 8 in this row? The 8. Wait. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 8. Alright. How about those 2 numbers in this second column? 1, the 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and a 3. I cannot fill this yet. How about those 2 boxes in the first row? The 2 and the 1. The 2 and the 1. We have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. Also the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and the 3 again. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. 1 box left in the last row for the number 4. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, how about those 2 numbers? The 3 and the 1. 3 and the 1. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. Yes, 6 is missing, and now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Alright, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. 2 stars? No. Well, let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. And people, if I'm going too fast, just leave a comment. Maybe the next time I will solve it in a little bit slower. I will explain it slower, but I have the feeling I'm in the flow. Yes, and well, I'm not too fast because tomorrow is the first a Friday of the month. I will do a fast test. So tomorrow we have 2 puzzles, and one of them, the light Sudoku, I will do a speed test. A speed test, yes. But if you if I'm going too fast, just leave a comment, or if you have any requests, just leave a comment below, and we will see. Hope you will respond. Anyway, thank you for watching. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Sudoku Medium. I have also a playlist for the tectonics, binaries, killer Sudokus, heavy Sudokus, light Sudokus, quintuplets, 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudokus, and also ladder Sudokus. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles, I have a playlist. And for example, the tectonics, If you like to solve tectonics, I have more than 400 collected tectonic puzzles in my playlist. So go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all those playlists. Again, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great day. Have a fantastic Thursday, and we will meet again very soon with the extra Sudokus in this newspaper. So see you soon. Bye bye for now.